Hey, thanks for joining us again at STL Live. I'm Andy Ruzicka, and we are learning about the Lipstick and Legacies Women's Empowerment Workshop with Deletria Hudson and Katrina Bennett. Now, we ended just before the break talking about the fashion show. Just really quickly, Katrina, can you tell me, is there a bunch of theme for the fashion show? Are there certain looks that you're highlighting?
I would say most of my designs are really inspired by nature, so there's not necessarily a specific theme. I'm drawn to things that are in nature. So you think about the sunset, the horizon. I mean, just so many different beautiful things. So.
Now, how long have you been in sewing? How long have you been in the business?
I have been sewing a little bit over 20 years. I have pattern making experience, sewing, hand dyeing experience. So my background is fashion design. Been doing it for quite a bit now, and I participate in a lot of different art fairs because I'm a fiber artist as well.
Wow, that is, and you could do art show at this annual event.
It's pretty much what's happening.
Yeah, yeah.
So this event, we're going to talk more in depth about it here. So
Okay.
it is an event that focuses on many different areas.
Yes.
For women. Can you tell me what those are?
We focus on 4 areas of empowerment, which is what I sponsor in all of my coaching events: mental empowerment, physical, spiritual, and of course financial. We believe that we, being Deletria Hudson LLC, we believe that the overall experiences that connect us all to our money come from those 4 areas.
How does stress affect someone's financial well-being?
Oh, it has a major impact on it. And believe it or not, we don't recognize that. Simply how we start our days, how we move forward throughout the days, how we exercise, how we breathe. And when we are stressed, it may show up in different aspects of our money as well as affecting our households.
Do you have a speaker that will speak solely on the different issues?
I do. I have speakers for every one of the 4 areas.
For the spiritual, how does a woman focus empowerment on the spiritual end of things?
Really just being connected with their higher power, really having a way to connect and a refuge to go to when things may become overwhelming. That spiritual connection really helps with growth.
And so when I hear workshop, I hear I think of a lot of audience participation.
Yes.
Does the audience get
This
prepared?
is definitely audience participation. There will be, of course, when we talk about the physical, we'll talk about the exercising, the breathing. We'll do meal prep. We'll have exercises where you will do mindset exercises and, of course, financial exercises.
That's great. And again, the fashion show is going to be something that I think every woman should
Everybody's going to get in on the fashion show.
Are you going to be in one of the fashions?
I will definitely, wherever she needs me, I'm ready to jump in and help out. Oh, well, awesome, see? I love it.
So what else about the fashion show can you tell us about that maybe, can you surprise us? There's something that you're holding back until the event, or?
You have to come to the event and you'll see.
Yeah.
It'll be fun. It'll be great.
Are there certain colors going to be highlighted in your works?
Well, I do hand dye colors, and I love the spring color. So the corals, the reds, even the ocean blues, you'll see a little bit of all that.
That's so wonderful. And
Doesn't that fall right into the stress? We just relieving it.
Relieving the stress with
Yes,
this workshop.
I love it.
In years past, you said it was a lot of a big attendance.
Great attendance, and each year has been a sellout, and this year we're expecting the same thing. And we just invite women to come and escape from their everyday stresses and come have a great time with us and wind down and meet other great women.
I certainly hope it's another sellout.
Thank you so much for that, Andy. I appreciate it.
Good luck, and yeah. So again, thank you for being with us, both of you. For more information, you can visit the website there, Deletria Hudson, or actually better yet, call her at 314-368-6346. 8346. That's the Lipstick and Legacies Women's Empowerment Workshop. So there's more STL Live after this. Stay with us.